If you've ever watched a UGC style ad and wondered whether that presenter was even a real person, there's a good chance they weren't. Today I'm showing you talking actors, and we're going through talking actors again, one of the most used features inside archives. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn a script into a fully lip-synced AI presenter. So just a quick recap for anyone new to the series. Arcads is an AI platform built for marketing videos and ad creatives, and anyone basically who likes to get stuck in and experiment with AI videos, UGC and talking actors. It brings together AI actors, script tools, voice generation and video production in one place, so you can go from an idea to a finished ad without filming anything yourself. We're covering a different feature every week and delving into each feature on the occasional week, and today we're starting with talking actors. Again, we're just going to change it up a little bit and see what we can do on the UGC side and the presenter side. Okay guys, so let's just take a quick second for the sponsor of today's video, called Lead Sniper. So Lead Sniper will help you convert leads into actual clients using a Google scraper, Google Map scraper and a yellow scraper all in one place. So if you want to turn those leads into clients, go and check out Lead Sniper. The link will be in the description below. So let's get on with today's video. So Talking Actors takes a script and turns it into a realistic presenter video, lip synced with natural expressions and gestures. You choose an actor, add your script, pick a voice, and Arcad handles the rest. Let's create a new one. As you can see here, we did a World Cup scene, little advertisement here suddenly becoming football experts a week ago. But we'll try something a little bit different this time and try to go into the settings and change the settings up a little bit. So let's get into it and let's create one. So there are two ways to get your presenter. The easy route is the library. Okay, you can go into the library and there's over 1,500 stock AI actors. So whatever your audience looks like, there's usually a close match already in there. The other option is generating your own. Upload a reference photo or just describe them: age, gender, style, hair, and Arcads will generate a few variations to pick one. For this one, I'll just pick one again from the library. Right, so we will choose, let's go for Charles. Let's go for Charlie.
Hey.
Charlie the accountant.
Hey you. Welcome
right, so we'll choose Charles, we'll add him. Okay, so then once you have chosen your fella, right, the next thing is the voice, right? And you can filter the voice by gender. You can filter it. So you can filter the voice by gender, age, tone, which narrows things down fast. And it's worth previewing everything before you settle. The right voice makes the whole video feel far more natural, and it's not always the first one you click. Right, so we've got him there. Age, middle age. All right, we've got the language, English. Let's have a listen to Javier.
Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads. Create a script you think will work well. Choose some actors.
So these are all the voices that you can
welcome
choose.
Welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
Right, so we can just stick with Charles's voice. We'll have a quick listen again to Charles, right? Okay, so this is the tone that you can use. You can have him going fast, stability, similarity, style, exaggeration. We'll just keep him normal Charles at the moment. So before we can preview Charles, we need to put in our prompt for what we need. Now, when we put our prompt in, we need to write it in a way someone would actually speak, not the way you'd write an email. Punctuation matters too. A question mark or a comma changes how the line is delivered. Arcads also gives you tone control. Pick something like friendly, persuasive, or excited, and it doesn't just change the voice, it changes the expression and the gestures too. Watch what happens when I switch this same line from friendly to persuasive. So I'm going to paste in my script first. There's my script. Right, here we go. So we've got our emotions here. Excited, then we've got firmly, then we've got enthusiastic. So we can play that. We can get a little demonstration.
Most people think creating a UGC style ad means hiring a creator, booking a shoot, and waiting weeks for footage. It doesn't have to work that way anymore. With the right tools, you can go from a script to a finished presenter video in a matter of minutes without any of that.
Okay, now we can change that up a little bit. So we're going to find where we can change those emotions. So we've cleared the old emotions and we'll add some new ones. So what we do, we can add these emotions, right? So we'll go, let's go friendly. Right, so we can go add emotions. We got curious. We'll try this one here. We'll change this one. Right, so we've started off here and we've changed the emotion to curious. Let's see what happens when we've changed it to curious.
Most people think creating a UGC style ad means hiring a creator, booking a shoot, and waiting weeks for footage.
Yeah, so it's just a slight little change, but it makes
to a finished
a
presenter
big
video
difference.
in a matter of minutes. Without any of that.
So here we go. We'll change it again. So we've got our custom. So you put the / and then it's got all of the emotions that you can have here. So let's have him stammering. Let's see what happens when he stammers. A bit nervous.
Most people think creating a UGC style ad means hiring a creator, booking a shoot, and waiting weeks for footage. It doesn't have to work that way anymore. With the right tools, you can go from a script to a finished presenter video in a matter of minutes without any of that.
We've got some of the emotions there in, and it looks like we're pretty much all set in. So before we do that, before we spend any credits, we preview. We always preview first. It's a quick way to check that the pacing and the delivery and is much easier to fix now than after generating the full video. We'll pop him up. We'll give one last check.
Most people think creating a UGC style ad means hiring a creator, booking a shoot, and waiting weeks for footage. It doesn't have to work that way anymore. With the right tools, you can go from a script to a finished presenter video in a matter of minutes without
So you can also just add a couple of actors. So you don't have to, right? You can add more than one to the same script and generate them together. Same words, different presenters, and you can just see which one performs better. Now, after that's done, all we need to do there is we go on to generate. So it's going to show us how many credits it's going to use to generate this, how many credits it's going to let us use up front. And then after a few minutes, you will have a full HD presenter video ready to download. So we'll generate. Hit this button and we'll see the video getting generated. So here we have the finished video. We've got Raymundo here looking very confident, ready to deliver this script, and we'll see what goes on. Let's go, Ray.
Most people think creating a UGC style ad means hiring a creator, booking a shoot, and waiting weeks for footage. It doesn't have to work that way anymore. With the right tools, you can go from a script to a finished presenter video in a matter of minutes without any of that.
A lot of hand gestures, which is good. Go, Ray. I definitely listened to Ray. He's very confident. I definitely listened to him if he was giving me some accounting advice.
Weeks for footage.
But
it doesn't have to work that way anymore. With the right tools, you can go from a script to a finished presenter video in a matter of minutes.
Confident,
without
curious, firm, and excited.
Most people
all
think
of the emotions
a UGC style ad means
that were
hiring
put
a creator,
in here.
booking a shoot, and waiting weeks
Really
for
happy
footage.
with that.
It doesn't have to work
So
that way anymore.
that's
with the right tools,
the finished
you can go from a script
result,
to a
from a
finished
script
presenter video in
to
a
this
matter of
in a few minutes without booking
any
a
of that.
single shoot. Impressive. One thing worth knowing, these actors can talk about your products, but they can't physically pick it up or use it on camera. So great for testimonials and talking head ads, less suited to a hands-on unboxing. So from here, it's easy to swap the actor, try a different voice, or rewrite the opening line to create a few versions for different audiences. Overall, I'd book Raymond in the future. Go Ray. And that's the second session of Talking Actors. One of the simplest features in ArcAds, but also one of the most useful if you're producing ads regularly. Next time, we'll look at another feature inside ArcAds to help you get even more out of the platform. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to tap the like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.